Good morning, ma'am. Myself Nikita. Today I am going to explain on the seminar of the subject of software architecture. Module 2, topic of system quality attributes. Firstly, deals with the definition of functionality. It is the ability of the system to do the work for which it has been intended. Next, the second definition. What do you mean by software architecture? Constrained allocations to the structure when other quality attributes are important. Mainly my topic is deals with a system quality attributes, quality attribute scenarios. The quality attribute scenario is a quality attribute specific requirements. It contains a 6 parts. Means a quality attribute scenario means it is a quality attribute specific requirement. It consists of 6 parts. Firstly, source of stimulus. This is some entity or a human or computer system or any other actuator that generate the stimulus. Means some entity or other some computer or any other actuator that generate the stimulus means same entity we have to take in the source of stimulus. Next one, stimulus. A stimulus is a condition that needs to be considered when it arrives at a system. That means it is a conditions we have to need to be considered when it arrives at the system. Now third deals with an environment. A stimulus occurs with certain conditions. A system may be an overload condition or may be a running when the stimulus occurs, or some other conditions may be true. That means the system may be overloaded or may be a running. When a stimulus occurs, then the conditions may be true. Fourth one, artifact. Some artifact is stimulated. This may be in an overload condition or may be a running. When a stimulus occurs, another some conditions may be true. This may be whole system or some pieces of it. That means the architecture may be stimulated. This may be an overload condition or may be a running. When a stimulus occurs or some other conditions may be true, this may be a whole system or some pieces of it. Next, fifth one is response. A response is an activity undertaken after the arrival of the stimulus. That means response, we have to take the response of activity in the undertaken of the arrival of the stimulus. Next, sixth one, response measure. When the response occurs, it should be measurable in some fashion or another environment can be tested. When the response occurs, it should be a measurable or some other fashions the environment should be can be tested. Next one, this figure shows the parts of the quality attribute scenario. First one, the source of stimulus can be jumped to the source of stimulus that occurs the artifact. Then artifact occurs the environment. Then environment responses the environment's measure. That response measures we have conditions that are different measures like graphs, and the technical conditions we have used the arrows, and the graphics we have used. This type of scenario, it shows the part of quality attribute scenario. Next one, a quality attributes deals. Next one, quality attribute scenario in practices. Quality scenario, quality attribute scenario in practices. Firstly deals with next one, in that ability scenario. Availability is a consult with the system failure and its associated consequences. Ability is consult with system failure and its isolated consequence. That means the failures are usually a result of system errors that are derived from faults in the system. That means failures are usually a result of system errors. System errors means in this no errors should be considered and system should be represented successful. And generally it is called the system errors. Ability scenario means we are called as a system errors and is derived from faults in the system. It is typically defined as alpha. Alpha means the mean time to failure divided by the mean time to failure plus mean time to repair. That means the system will be represented successfully in the failures usually in alpha. Alpha means availability synergy of alpha equals to mean time to failure divided by mean time to failure plus mean time to repair. In next one, the source of stimulus, as same as we studied in previous topic, that is a quality attribute synergio, system quality attributes, as we studied before topic. In this also availability synergio, here also same 6 parts we have to consider. That firstly, source of stimulus, we differentiate between internal and then external indications of faults or failure, since we derive system response may be different. In source of stimulus, we have taken the internal or external indications of faults or failures, since the desired system responses may be different. Different means external or internal indications of faults, failure, that desired system response should be the different. For example, the unaccepted message arises from outside the system. Outside the system means we have to consider any outside parts, we have to consider in it. Next one, next topic is stimulus. Stimulus means the fault of one of the following classes occurs. In stimuluses, there are 4 types: omission, crashing, timing, response. Omissions means the component fails to respond to an input. Crash means the component repeatedly suffers omission faults. Timing means the component responses but the response is earlier or late. A response means the component responses with an incorrect value. Omissions means any component we have fails the response, that will comes an input only. Crashing means the component repeatedly suffers omission faults. Omissions will be falsing in the crash. Timing means the component responses but the response is earlierly or late. Response means the component responses with an incorrect value. The component responds with an incorrect value. Next one, same as previous diagram. Here also source means internal or external conditions we have taken. Here also same. Next, stimulus faults, same 4 types: omission, crash, timing, response. Here also artifact. In artifact, process, storage, processor, combination. Environment, normally degraded, operation. Here also response, record, notify, disable, continue. That will be normal or degraded, be an unavailable. Same as a response measure, here also same graphical conditions we have to taken. Response measure, repair time, availability, available, degraded, and time interval. In some same conditions we have to taken. Graphs also we have put it in same conditions. Next one, artifact, that simplifies the resource that is required to be highly available, such as a process, combination, channel process, or storage. Same as here also, artifact means the simplifies the storage highly available, such as a processor, combination, or channel process or storage. Next one, the environment. Environment means the portion specifies when the change can be made: a design time, compile time, build time, inhalation time, or run time that can be occurred in this. For example, the modification is to occur at the design time. This is the environment. Normal degraded operations. The portion specifies when the change can be made: design time, compile time, build time, inhalation time always occur in it. For example, modification has to be occur at the design time. Next is the response, record, modify, display, continue. Normal or degraded VN, that should be unavailable. Next one, the response. Response, there are number of possible reactions to the system failure. This include a logging failure, notifying selected users or any other systems, switching to a degraded made with less capacity or the less functions, scheduling down external systems or becoming unavailable during repair. There means number of possible reactions to be the system failure. This include a logging failure, notifying a selected user on any other system, switching to a degraded mode with a less capacity or less functions. Less functions, we have less capacity or less functions we have to taken in this response, and their resulting external systems are becoming unavailable during repair. Next, in same diagram, that is in this source developer have to stimulate it and artifact code environment responses to the response measure. That means same graphical conditions and average condition arrow marks have to be, graph have to be drawn here. This is the way of it. And next one, lastly, deals with the response measure. The response measure can be specified and the ability percentage, or it can be specified time to repair times during which a system must be available, or the duration for which a system must be available. That means for example, anytime we have to take a modified measure as specify the ability percentage, or it can be specified time to repair times during which a system must be available, for the duration for which the system must be available. Means you have to same the source developer and stimulus, then artifact mode, environment, response measure. This is the complete explanation about quality attribute scenario in practices. Thank you.